How about a motorcycle? Let's start with a triangle, and then a little triangle. Put a wheel with a circle there, and a wheel with a circle here. We're going to go for some kind of futuristic looking motorcycle. Another triangle here. A seat here. Maybe something here. Now let's add our details. So now I'm going to connect these triangles, but also round them off. Make them even sleeker looking. Let's put this tire here. Put a tire here, make sure it's the same height or the same level as the other one. Make that seat a little slicker looking. Have a spot where the handlebar would be. And then maybe like a little curve here where the leg would go. Spot here for the pedal. Some little lines, sleek lines there. Add muffler here, and I'm going to actually color this in this time. And headlight. And there you have kind of a futuristic type of motorcycle.